Good morning. We are vlogging today. Hey, Speedy. Hey, so Speedy. Hey, Papa. How did you sleep? Who are you barking at? Stop messing with my sock. Stop it. No, you're gonna ruin it. Kevin, tell Speedy to stop.
Speedy, hey.
So, just bad. Why is you bad? Stop it now. Get your elephant ear off the floor. Yeah.
I don't have a problem with it, but this is the third time I see you wear it.
Actually, this last night was the first time I wore it. I just got this belt.
Alright, cool.
Liar. Anyways, Speedy, why you keep bothering me? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Kevin, tell him to leave. You be scaring me sometimes.
Hey, boy. There you go.
He ain't going nowhere.
Alright.
Bye-bye. Anytime you like put it up, he keep putting it. You have to like fold it and then make it stick. We are on our way to brunch. We really wanted to go to this place that Kojo wanted to try, but the wait is like 30-40 minutes, and we have our appointment to tour the condo is at 2. So, and that place is like 35 minutes away, so that means that we wasn't gonna make it. So we decided to try something closer, and it's called First Watch. Babe, don't kill the man.
That nigga just, he didn't even look like he was
Yeah, this lashes is irritating, man. I'm just gonna take it off. Whew. I can breathe. Can I put it right there?
We ain't about to do that shit in your car over here.
Huh?
We ain't about to do that thing they do in your car. Lashes everywhere in your car.
That's not true. I don't have lashes everywhere in my car.
Alright.
When did I have lashes everywhere in my car?
You want to open red and find out?
There ain't no lashes in red.
Maria could use your card for a whole new client, and she ain't got to go.
That's So is it in the shopping center?
Probably this way.
Well, hi guys, how are we today? I'm good, how you doing? Well, thank you. My name is Monty. I'll take care of this boat. Can you care to start with some coffee?
No.
Alright, what would you like? Like some juice?
You want coffee?
I don't drink coffee.
Yeah, orange juice.
Yes ma'am, large or small? I'll do large.
Small for me. And water.
Got it?
And did you want to substitute the meat for the grits so I don't have to charge you on the side, because I can't substitute $1 million bacon for anything?
Okay, yeah, I know.
So did you want to do it that way?
So no, I still wanted my meat.
You want extra bacon, the bacon that comes with this?
Oh wait, okay, so that one comes with bacon.
Yeah, that comes with bacon and sausage. I can substitute that meat for the grits, so you don't have to do an extra.
Oh yeah, that
way you can
that works.
Cool. I just want to make sure.
So you're not getting double bacon. Did you understand? And then, do y'all have a way where I can just get one pancake or one waffle? How much is that?
Waffles $8 or $9.
For one waffle?
Yeah. And then the pancake is like $4 or $5.
Why? How big is the waffle?
Well, it's adult, so it's about that thick, about that big.
And it's an $8 waffle.
I'll just eat some of this.
I mean, the pancake is like $4 or $5.
Well, and when he wakes up, I'll be like in deep sleep. All I hear is that.
Yeah, you're right. He's
And then-
gone.
I don't know. Whenever he come back, he'll be like, "I'm ready. I'm back." I'm like,
I don't know where he be going. Spitty is sneaky. Here, I got an omelet, potatoes, and Ezekiel bread, bacon, and pancake. Looks so hungry. She's so damn greedy. I have to take my wedgie out. Sorry. We are here. Here she go. Here she go. I forgot her name.
Hey, how you
I
doing?
forgot. Okay, that's you. It's
I'm
you.
Andrea.
Yes, and I was speaking to
Mary Beth?
I think so. I'm not
Say
well with
your
the name,
name.
but I remember your name, Elizabeth.
Elizabeth. No.
Yes.
Okay.
In my head, PL has Naemea or something like that.
Okay.
But she did mention that you was gonna be here
Yes.
too to show us.
To show you around, what were you interested in looking at?
It was the condo that I seen on the Facebook market, and you guys had an open house for it today. I'm not sure which one.
So we have 3 left in this building, and this is our model, which is also for sale. And I'm bringing you in here so that I can give you some information.
Okay. Square foot is this?
It's about 1650 square feet. So this is going to be a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with 2 full baths, and it's going to have more of a true master and then a guest room. The other model's a little smaller, but it's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it's
And-
going to have 2 similar sizes.
Is that the one for $315?
It is.
Okay.
so this is the other bedroom.
Is this
That's
the
the
guest room?
Tree feel with the molding.
And that's what I like that.
And then you'll see the master is really quite large with the
Oh, yeah.
large closet.
This is huge.
Yeah.
This is. Ooh, babe, look. Good job. Oh my God. Ah, that's just my salad. This is so pretty.
That's what they all look like.
I love this.
Different setup. The other 2-bedroom is going to have the smaller bathroom.
This is fancy.
This is the luxury.
This is
Yeah.
nice. And you still have a shower. And you do have 2 sinks in 2. It's not one because it's one right there and then
Oh
it's one right here.
yeah, it's just different. Because most of the places I see, the sinks are like.
This will work great. So your stuff is one side and mine is one side.
Thank God.
This is nice.
The one downstairs, you'll kind of see more of that traditional setup that you're used to.
I like this
Because you're
though.
getting the extra space in this bathroom.
And I like the floor too.
Yeah, pretty.
This is nice.
Yeah, and these are new, so that we just received a certificate of occupancy in the spring.
Look at
Hit
that.
it? Yeah.
Ching.
Yeah, and they kind of have that.
I love this stuff. These cabinets are so. I'm probably gonna need a ladder. Kevin, these cabinets are higher. I might need that ladder. The only thing that I kind of dislike about this sink is the stuff being in the middle. I like because what we have now is just like the one sink, and it's really nice to me because it.
Okay.
Yeah, but that's
I think
my.
that was just a choice that they made when they built these. And I don't know how hard that would be to change out, because a lot of times the granite is cut
Yeah.
to the shape of the sink. So if they had this brand without this in it, this exact same size, that might be a possibility. But
Yeah.
If that's the case.
yeah, But right now I don't know.
Oh, and the kitchen, it kind of feels like a house in a way, because
Yes.
the kitchen also leads to the balcony.
So, and that was part of that feel, you know, and it comes, one of the rare things that these condos offer, and especially in Cary, is an elevator. Parking available, open parking. So if you have 4 cars or 1 car, you're not going to have an issue with parking. It's just that there's only 1 assigned covered spot.
Oh, okay. We got the nicest car has it.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
On one, it has about 1,400.
It's still
close to
big.
1,500 square feet. It's going to
It's
look
still
really
big.
old.
Right. It's still big.
It has the largest covered
I
patio.
think that's what the fresh go. I like this countertop too.
Nice. And I'll give you a bunch of the information when we go back. This is, yeah, so it has a really nice open feel. The 2 bedrooms are going to be similar size, but they consider the one
This the master. This the master.
Nah, it's gotta be
The bathroom. Nice. Oh, look at the closet. It's 2-sided. That's great. Kind of like his hair. I like that. Yeah, what is that?
Yes, that has.
It's very spatial.
Why you recording the road?
We going home. Now we at Full Lion, so I can send my mom some money because today is her birthday. Me and my cousin came up with the idea to send her some money so she can buy some gas while she down there. Are you gonna tip him? You're not gonna tip him today.
I'm not doing Christmas this year.
It's not Christmas. Today is her birthday. The least you can do is at least tip him $10 so I can pay the people to send the money.
Oh, I got some coins.
Oh, what? What am I gonna do with coins?
Yeah, take coins. It's money.
Kevin, I'm not taking that much $10 worth of coins in there.
I told you, man, I'm not doing Christmas this year, man.
I ain't said do Christmas. I ain't doing Christmas either.
I got $1.
It's now something to send the money.
Yeah, I'm a cash app you.
That's a lie.
I will.
That's a damn lie.
I'll cash app you. Just go. Get out the car! Get out the car.
What you doing in there? Why is your bed upside down?
There's probably going bananas in there.
Sweetie. And you don't know how to come out. Why is your bed upside down? Look at you. How did you get in there? Come out and see where you got in there. Look at this. Look. You see you?